We're rolling.
Hi guys.
Welcome to Forum 32.
Thank you.
We've finally done it.
Finally.
Yeah. Whenever you were shooting, I was not around, and whenever you had time, I was not there.
True.
And when I was there, you were doing your film. So,
So finally. Vaishali, I think it's what, like the end of the show and we are getting into
at least आज तो हमने मौका निकाल ही लिया
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
बाद में पता नहीं कब मौका मिले.
जी.
I'm sure we'll find some time together. I mean, you don't stay too far away from my place.
Yeah.
So I can always come home and we can do some chit chat and do some interview,
Sure.
which will be informal. Not that this is very formal, but still we'll try and do things as and how possible.
Yeah.
Now, journey. I remember the entry point where Gorky white kurti, blue jeans and red dupatta
Red dupatta. Oh my
with the red light as your
my
backlight.
God, that was. I mean, my entry was never shot this grand. It was something. The picture that he has clicked is superb, and Sheetal has gifted me a sketch which is made by her sister Shaina, and I put that picture in my drawing room.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, it's like a huge picture, dude. I mean, whenever I enter, I see that. So, even though my journey is ending today in Arjun, I mean, it's going to be there with me. All the memories, the time I spent with all my co-actors, my camera team, my hair department, my makeup department. It's something which is, this bond is something very special. Like, I never had this bond with any other team. I'm going to miss my camera team a lot because the kind of fun we had. When I used to rehearse my dialogues, initially people used to just look at me and say कि ये तुम्हारी line है या ये तुम बोल रही हो. So it was so difficult for them to understand that whether I'm actually saying my dialogue or is that me. So yeah.
I remember you having fun with Jeetu, with Shabir Bhai.
Shabir Bhai, oh my God, Shabir Bhai used to just tell me, Sakshi, shut up, let me shoot. The time is running away. I used to just go on and on and on and on and on. But in Arjun, I think I was a kid when I came, and now I'm serious. I'm so matured, and like so much. Like my mama, when I met her for the first time, she was like, stop, Mrunal, please. You're no more a kid now. You're just grown up. And now when I meet her, I'm like, hello, mama. She's like, what's wrong with you? I said, this is the good thing that I have learned from Arjun. I've grown matured.
No, don't let the child in you go.
No, it is always there. I won't.
Now, I remember the first couple of days, I think I dropped you one of the days, the initial couple of days, I think we found out that you lived in Malad, and then, I mean, 2 दिन पहले I dropped you again, which is like after probably a span of 6 months.
6 months, not even 6 months, maybe more than that. 7-8 months. Yeah.
So it was fun, Desh. Okay. So I thought, there's no scene ready yet, is it?
There's no scene
No,
ready.
thank you. You want to join us?
Come.
You can come. Come, join. Join with Sakshi, come.
He's the shy guy.
He's a shy guy. Alright, people. This is Avdesh.
Have a seat, Avdesh.
This is Avdesh. Come a little closer in my frame, please. Yeah. This is Avdesh, who looks after all the small things on the show, including the murder board. All the photographs of the victims, the killer.
Yeah. If anything is wrong on set, all we do is call Avdesh. AD से ये ETF का the logos and all.
Yeah.
He takes care.
all the monitors, the
CCTV,
video
yeah,
that runs, everything. Property.
The property
everything.
as well.
वो गन भी तू नहीं करवाई है ना?
You sketched it?
No, he got the print.
Achha,
He got the print. He gets all the printing done. He runs around looking at getting the DVDs
He's not in
done.
department, he's in all departments.
He's in all departments.
He should charge, I guess, for that department.
Let me change here a bit. Yeah. So it's good to have you, Avdesh. कुछ बोलो.
He's blushing.
कुछ बोलो. बोलो अर्जुन में कैसा लग रहा है?
तो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे।
अब हम
मेरे को पहली बार एक्सपीरियंस है मेरा हर डिपार्टमेंट का। ये पहला शो है।
तेरा पहला शो है. Very good.
मेरा दूसरा है.
नहीं मेरा पहला शो है।
मेरा दूसरा है.
मैं आया था यहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन के लिए, लेकिन मेरे को सर ने क्रिएटिव डिपार्टमेंट रख दिया।
And he handles everything so well. Like there is a requirement that we need a courier, we need an online. I don't know how he'll manage. He'll just get it ready, sir.
मुझे अभी भी याद है एक दिन बीच में कुछ एपिसोड के लिए he needed a memorandum of marriage certificate and he created some silly thing and I said ये क्या बनाया है मेरे को पूछ लेता मैं बता देती.
No, he's got some or the other option for every situation.
And I remember the culprit background और photographs लेना था. याद है वो height का pose पीछे का बनाया था. So we've had some good time with Avdesh also. You see, I'm the pseudo every department. When I'm on Arjun's set or any of our 4-line shows, I am a pseudo whatever. कुछ भी ज़रूरत हो बोले ठीक है आ जाओ. So Avdesh के साथ I worked a bit.
अवधेश
ऑडिशन दिए थे.
हाँ ऑडिशन में
अवधेश ने ऑडिशन भी लिया था, क्रिएटिव काम भी संभालते हैं, लाइटिंग में भी एक बार अपने आप को एंजॉय कर लिया था. देन ही इज कम टू ड्रॉप मी ऑल्सो एट नाइट. लुक,
wow.
multi talented guy.
Yeah, I remember we needed somebody for episodics. So
Yeah, he's acted also in.
he's
Arjun.
acted. Oh yes,
How can you forget
How can
that?
you forget that? So multi-talented guy.
Yes, he is.
So people watch out for Avdesh.
Yes.
You might see him in front of the camera very soon.
Yeah.
है ना?
He's so nervous.
He's so nervous.
Yes,
Why are you
ma'am.
nervous?
So cute.
हमें पहचानते हो ना? तो फिर इसमें घबराने वाली क्या बात है?
He's just blushing.
This is blushing.
ऐसे हंसता है पहले से.
आप हंसते हो लेकिन अभी आप ब्लश कर रहे हो.
मैं एक बार गया था प्रियंका को इंटरव्यू देने के लिए.
हाँ.
उस टाइम वो भी बोल रही थी कि ब्लश बहुत कर रहा है.
अच्छा अवधेश, साक्षी और मृणाल के बीच में क्या क्या सिमिलैरिटी है और क्या क्या अलग अलग चीज़ें बताएं. एक दो चीज़ें बता दो. जैसे कि अब मैं वो बताऊंगी तो तुम क्या बताओगे?
साक्षी और मृणाल.
हाँ
मृणाल जो कैरेक्टर बहुत अच्छे थे. जो अपना मृणाल साक्षी अपने जो कैरेक्टर करते थे वो बहुत अच्छी करते, लेकिन जब मृणाल यानी कि एक्टिंग से बाहर आते पर्सनल लाइफ वो बहुत अच्छे हैं. सबसे एकदम अच्छे से प्रिंट यानी कुछ भी बात कर अच्छे से बात करते हैं. मैं उनका देखा मैंने कितनी बार कितने हद भी हम बाहर निकले तो हंस के होते हैं. हेलो देश कैसे हैं?
so sweet. He's so sweet.
We got the right person.
Absolutely. हर चीज़ का कुछ कारण होता है. अवधेश यहाँ पे आया उसका भी एक कारण था, है ना अवधेश?
चल अवधेश को
मैं वहाँ
आज
देखा बाहर देखा तो मैं हंस रही थी. क्या बोलने लग रही थी.
so sweet. So sweet. बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो.
थैंक यू.
और अलग चीज़ तो तुमने बताई नहीं. डिफरेंस क्या है मृणाल और साक्षी में? तुमने बोला दोनों ही अच्छी है, कैरेक्टर भी अच्छा है और इंसान भी अच्छी है.
नहीं कैरेक्टर में जो है ना इनको जो भी कैरेक्टर दिया है प्ले कर सकते हैं आराम से. यानी कि अपसेट और फिर रोमांटिक है जैसे जो भी कैरेक्टर जो है इनको वो प्ले कर सकते हैं. और बाहर तो सबसे अच्छे से बातें करते हैं, हर से मिलते हैं, हंसते हुए जाते हैं.
बाहर तुमने उनको रोमांटिक देखा है कभी?
वो एकदम फनी में रहते हैं, मजाक के बोल रहे रहते हैं. यानी कि अपसेट नहीं होते, अपसेट नहीं रहते. जैसे सब लोग कहते हैं टेंशन है बहुत मेरे को टेंशन है, कभी देखा नहीं मैंने. कितनी बार मैं बाहर मैम को देखा, ड्रॉप भी किया, कभी अपसेट कभी देखा ही नहीं.
आई रिमेंबर वंस ही ड्रॉप मी अभी रिसेंटली और 2-3 दिनों की बात पहले की बात है. तो इट वॉज 2 o'clock or somewhere around midnight at night. So he dropped me and I was supposed to go to my friend's place because it was her birthday. And the gate was locked. I was wondering in this world what am I supposed to do. ये इसने मुझे छोड़ा and he came again. He's like, what happened, ma'am? I'm like, oh, that's so sweet of you, Avdesh, but I'll manage. Thank you. He's like, नहीं रात बहुत हो गई है, so I have to. It's my responsibility.
मैम को छोड़ा और फिर यूटर्न लेके वापस गया. तो टर्निंग में देखना जा रहा हूँ तो मैम खड़ी थी वहाँ. क्या हुआ? वो वापस गाड़ी यूटर्न क्यों?
Really sweet person I've ever met.
तो
सही
वापस
बात.
से ले गए गाड़ी.
सही बात है. लड़की को हमेशा दरवाजे तक छोड़ना चाहिए.
नहीं वहाँ पे 2-3 लोग बैठे थे, मतलब कि कुछ बोले ना उल्टा.
हाँ सही बात है. सही बात. So sweet.
He is my chotu.
So sweet. So sweet. Thank you so much, Avdesh.
Bye, Avdesh.
Bye. Okay, back to you.
Back to me.
Okay, where were we?
My entry.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. my entry. Oh my god! If I have to, tell anybody like, if I go somewhere out, they ask me what work have you done. I say Arjun, watch my entry episode, and they watch like this. So nice, yaar. So well shot, beautiful. I'm like, thank you. I know.
Yesterday we put up a VM that was made
Yeah.
about the whole.
Entries of all.
Okay, did
Yeah,
you see
I
that
saw,
one?
I saw.
We put it
It's
up
really
on
touching,
Forum
yeah.
32. Now
touching.
there, I could see the difference in the shots that Gorky has taken vis-a-vis others. No offense to the other directors, but your entry shot was taken by him.
Yeah.
Remember the Shraad wala sequence was
Yeah.
taken by, even that was in there, Arjun and Sameer ka jo.
Sameer ka.
tha, wo. So you could see the difference in those
I am
scenes. You're lucky, yes, that Gorky obviously
That
shot
was
you.
I told him also that he's one of the best directors I ever worked with. Like he will go in minute detail. He'll tell me everything. What will happen before? There's not necessarily every character has a background story or every scene has a background story, but he will make you understand in such a way that you yourself are convinced. Sometimes where I have shot other way also, no offense to other directors, but they just start with yes, this is your scene and that is how it is. Roll, camera, action. But here the case was completely different. The जो माहौल था वो काफ़ी अलग था. It was quite friendly. Initially तो oh my god what fun we had. I remember I used to come on set. I used to eat, sleep, work. These are the only three things I did. Eat, sleep and work. And masti, full on fun. Oh god.
I know, we had so much fun, and
Yeah.
those were some interesting days for
Yeah.
us where we used to literally be, I used to be on the set for 10-12 hours. जब मुझे और कुछ काम
And
नहीं
you
होगा
should
था.
feel- We usually shoot for long hours when it comes to Ranveer sir. But there's not one single moment when you are like yawning or when you are like, I'm feeling bored. No. We are like all the time on our toes shooting and क्या है next scene? क्या है अभी क्या करना है? मस्ती full on. And I like to work like this, where there is मस्ती. Serious होके क्या फ़ायदा यार काम करने का? This is what I keep telling Arjun in the show. Yeah.
And we do that otherwise.
Yeah.
We are serious about our work,
Yeah.
but I think we always have.
There should be, fun thing involved in it. Otherwise, there's no that thing, that spark.
Tell me some of the best memories that you have from Arjun.
Oh, so many. I'll tell you. Oh God. The first time, I just got my look test done and I was I was on board. And Gorky sir was just introducing to Bezad. So I was wearing heels and I just went. I was like, hi, I will show it to you. I just went and then, hi, and I just fell. I just collapsed. Gorky sir was like, don't get so excited, Sakshi. I know it's Bezad Khan. That is one funny moment I remember. First impression, and I went in my room and I was like, shit, my first impression was so bad, dude. They used to treat me like their younger sister. I miss Bezad, though we had thoda sa dishim in between. But I like Bezad's this style,
Oh yeah.
Damn it. We keep asking Aisha to say that in a couple of scenes. She's like, no. Then Sheetal ke saath I share my room. All we do is eating. I ask her, do you have some sweets? She's like, yes, since she's a Guju girl, she'll always carry some sweets with her. Evening 6 o'clock, it's fixed that we will go to Kankanal. There's one sweet chaat shop. And that guy knows us so well. He's like, okay, welcome. What do you want today? Like, pani puri, sev puri. Oh my god, I'm so going to miss this area. Whenever we have free time, we go in the mall and we shop. That's all we do. Keyur, oh my god, Keyur now is in the creative team. But initially he used to call and ask me, Mrunal, I think he's the most coolest EP I have ever seen in this industry. He's like, kahan pahunchi Mrunal? I'm like, pahunch rahi. He's like, okay, aja. But he'll not go in detail, kitna time lagega and all. That is what I like about him, he's all cool. And then Shaleen, oh my god, Shaleen's laughter, I think you guys know about it. he did this during our look test also. I was like, what is he doing? Why is he laughing? I have to go home. I'm getting late. But after that, I got so used to it that even, and that is so virus now. Like he will just laugh once in the second take when, and Randeep sir is like roll, 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 roll. He doesn't give us time to laugh. So we go like this. We like hiding our face and like, if I'm sitting here, I'll sit like this. I'll cover my face by my hair. Oh my god.
Yeah,
that's so
I'm sure they
funny.
saw the episode where the psychiatrist doctor
Yeah.
was a
Oh
killer.
God. This is something I'm gonna miss, yeah. Films mein it's very serious, like oh my god, you just have to concentrate on your scenes. It's like that now. These are the few things which I'm gonna really, really miss.
Arjun.
Yeah.
Tell me, Khamoshia, then Arjun, and now 3 films.
Yeah.
How does it feel? I mean, you've grown as an actor. I remember the first few days that we were talking. You said खामोशिया में किया, लेकिन मुझे वहाँ पे कुछ पता नहीं था.
कुछ पता नहीं था. Nothing.
मुझे ये बताते थे वो सीनियर एक्टर जो थी, उनका नाम भूल गई.
Resham Fitness. Resham was there. Suhasini Joshi. Mrunal.
I'm talking about Suhasini
Joshi.
Joshi.
Yeah, Vishali, I'll tell you the best thing. In this 1.5, 2 years, I worked with great actors, yeah. And I feel so fortunate enough that I worked with this. I worked with Dilip Prabhakar in this film, Vitti Dandu. Dilip Prabhakar, he's so down to earth. Yatin Karakar, then Ashok Samarth, Ravindra Mankhani, Adinath Kothari, then Mrunal Kulkarni. These are they all are like gem of a person, yeah. I mean, I never thought I would do so many projects in this 2 years. Thanks to Arjun team, thanks to Nisar sir, he allowed me to do the film. I never thought I will do Marathi films as well, but I thought why not utilize my time? So that is how I got into films, and I completed one film, then I got another offer, then I did my second film. Now I'll be doing my third film from December onwards, again with Adinath. So yeah, and there are so many projects coming up. So in Marathi industry, it's like Adinath and Mrunal is like a jodi now.
Wow.
So people are kind of asking us. So I think that's something great.
It's lovely.
But I'm anyways going to miss Arjun. Yeah. When I see all the VMs, all my fans, I remember there's one fan of mine, Sakshi, Isha. There are so many. Shri Paul, then Marnali, Kirtana, and oh my god, these people keep writing me every day, why are you putting Sakshi? But somewhere down the line I felt like I think this is the good decision as of now at the moment, because I want to explore as an actor. And I know it's sad, more than my fans, I'm also equally feeling bad. When I entered the set, I was like, oh my god, it's my last day. It's like 9 months I've come here and the journey ends here. But I'm sure my friends are going to keep that Sakshi alive, I'm going to miss you all. I'm going to miss you all entertaining every Saturday, Sunday. I remember how desperately you all used to wait, 2 days remaining, 3 hours remaining, half an hour to go, 10 minutes to go.
Yeah.
And all the feedback that you guys, oh my god, I'm so emotional at the moment. Trust me. I remember I cried during my Khamoshia project because it was my baby project, it was my first project. I got to learn so many things. In Arjun, I learned so many things. I got to act, I acted with different various good actors, because every episode there are new actors, celebs coming. Then different directors, different pattern of, I got used to the pattern of every director. Then different locations pe jana, masti karna. This is something that I don't think this bonding. What is more important is the bond. If the bonding is great, it is good now, then it shows in your work. Then the work is like excellent. So I wish I get to work with this team again, with Shalin, Sheetal, Ritu, Chotu, Shri, Bezad, yeah, and even Sana in that case. Sana is my darling friend. I wish we were together. There are few VMs of us together. I said, what happened if we don't share the screen space? We are there in a VM. So yeah.
Tell me, there was this rumor, and I also read an article about you and Shri. I've never asked personal questions, but I'm
no, that's okay. You can ask. We are we are very good friends even today. Shri, Siddharth, and what used to happen on set that I and Siddharth we are like of same age.
And you're the babies. Both of you are the
We are
babies of the show.
and our hobbies are the same. Our family problems are the same. Our likes and dislikes are the same. So somewhere down the line it happens. Like if you find the kind of person who's like you tend to chat for long hours and all. I miss him, yeah. He shouldn't have left. But what to do? It's his decision now. I respect his decision.
Yeah, and he also had the health issue.
He also had health issue. Oh my god, that was disaster. I remember he fell from the vanity, and that was the time where I yelled at him. बारिश के दिनों में कोई स्लीपर पहनता है क्या? ऐसा ही हो रहा है. I was like, हाँ तू गिर गया. He's like,
That was bad.
Why are you laughing? I said, तूने काम ही ऐसे किया, तूने हरकत ही ऐसे की. What do I do? So yeah, we are very good friends. There were just rumors that we like each other and all that. But yes, we are very good friends and we're going to be in touch forever.
And so sweet. Thank you. At least, thank you. Your fans would now be feeling
Yeah.
Good.
I saw a post where they wanted a interview with Arjun, Shaleen and Sakshi together, Shaleen and Mrunal together. But I myself wanted to give an interview with him. But the thing is, he's shooting in Mira Road. If he comes, I'll give you one choota sa bite with him.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Yeah.
That'll be good.
Yeah.
Once he comes, we'll see what we can manage
Yes.
in the space of time, considering the shoot and everything.
Schedule and everything.
But yeah, this at least we got opportunity to have a word with you, which is good. We got nice time.
Yeah.
Silence on the set, which
for the
is
first time.
which is never a possibility.
Exactly.
Other than my bangles right now. It's
I
jangling.
love those bangles. Even, I miss
You
my
should have worn
bangles.
your bangles.
Yeah. Today I don't
That's part of your character, right?
Character
The wooden bangles. I think.
Character to chodo. Now Mrunal has also started wearing
Wearing
bangles.
bangles. Wow.
I have like this big bag of bangles now.
So tell me, what have you taken from Sakshi apart from the bangles?
The stroll.
The stole? I was just gonna say.
The stroll. Yes. I'm not wearing it today because it's a Chinese neck. It doesn't go with it. So yeah. Then I've started wearing heels and bubbly to मैं थी पहले से. So yeah. What else?
You tell me.
I think that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
The hairstyle?
No, I was like that.
You like that
I was
only.
like that. I was in fact. I want to tie more. I want to tie my hair. I can style up my hair on my own. But the thing is, channeling is like नहीं खुले हमारी हीरोइन हमें खुले बालों में चाहिए.
तो ही तो हम blower fan लगा सकते
लगा
हैं,
सकते
बाल
हैं.
उड़ाने हैं.
Yes. So
For all the romantic scenes that were supposed to happen.
that was the best thing. In the first entry scene, blower. The AD is struggling on the blower. The hair goes like this, like this. I think the blower and the romantic scenes होते हैं वहाँ पे blower तो आते ही है ना?
Yeah. All the people who follow Forum 32.
Miss all this, yeah.
I know.
Guys, I'm very sorry, but I have to. I really have to. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.